Hey, what's up guys? Josh here with another Photoshop tutorial, hopefully a fairly useful one. Today I'm going to show you how to smooth skin while still maintaining the integrity of the skin texture of the pores. So last time we talked about skin smoothing, we were using Adobe's Neural Filters. They're AI-powered filters that allow you to smooth the skin in one click. But sometimes you just need a little bit more control, and that's what we're doing today. Now, before we get started, if you don't have Photoshop, there's a link to a free trial in the description below. With that, let's get started. So we're already inside Photoshop. The first thing we need to do is duplicate this layer. You can do that by clicking and dragging it to the New Layer button, or you can hit Command or Control J. Next, we need to invert this layer, so hit Command or Control I, then go to your blending options and go down to Vivid Light. Next, we want to go up to our filters, go down to Other, High Pass, and we want to adjust this just until we have a nice blur on the face. So I actually I think where I had it at 8, that looks pretty good. We'll hit OK. Next, we want to go back to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and now we want to adjust this just until we start to see the details in the skin come back. So if we drop this all the way down to 0.1, you'll see it's very blurry. If we bring it up to 2, we start to see some of the lines come back in. We don't want to see a lot of lines. And then at 2.5, you can start to see some of the pores come back in. So that's probably right about where we want it. Hit OK. So the problem we have next is that everything is softened. The hair, the eyes, the teeth. We want all these features to be nice and sharp. The solution is to create a mask. So we're going to hold Alt or Option on the keyboard, hit the Add a Layer Mask button, and that's going to create a negative mask. Next, I'm going to hit D on the keyboard. That's going to reset my foreground and background colors. Then we're going to select a brush. Make sure that's nice and soft. And if you need to adjust your brush, you're going to use the left and right bracket keys. Double check that that foreground color is white. If it's not, just hit X on the keyboard. And then I can start painting that softened layer back in. And look at just how smooth and perfect that looks. Now, anywhere that there's an edge, like right here at the bottom of the nose, you want to be careful because if you blur that too much, you're going to lose some of that definition. So I'm going to hit X, and I'm just going to make sure that that line under the nose is defined. Same with this crease right here. And look at that. And if I toggle this layer on and off, you can see that's before and that's after. Well, that's all I got for you today, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it useful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.